You open Netflix, press play, and it freezes. Or the app loads forever and then crashes back to the home screen. If apps on your Roku TV are not opening, freezing, or crashing, you're not alone. These problems are usually caused by small app glitches, outdated software, or network issues. The good news is you can fix most of them at home using only your Roku remote. Let's go step by step. First, restart the app that isn't working. On the home screen, move to the app giving you trouble. Press the star button on your remote to open the options menu, then select Restart Channel. This closes and reloads the app, clearing temporary memory glitches that can cause freezing or loading errors. In many cases, this quick refresh is all you need. If that doesn't solve it, restart your Roku TV or streaming device. Go to Settings, then System, then Power, and select System Restart. If that option isn't available, unplug your Roku from the wall outlet, wait 10 to 15 seconds, and plug it back in. Restarting clears temporary system cache and refreshes background processes that may be affecting multiple apps. Now let's check your internet connection, because streaming apps depend heavily on stable Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Check Connection. Make sure your device is connected and the test passes successfully. Even if Wi-Fi shows connected, weak signal strength or slow speeds can cause apps to freeze or crash. If the connection test fails or looks unstable, restart your router and try again. If your network looks good, check for app updates. Highlight the app on the home screen, press the star button, and choose Check for Updates. Outdated apps can develop compatibility issues, especially after system updates. Installing the latest version often fixes loading or crashing problems. Next, update your Roku system software. Go to Settings, then System Update, and select Check Now. This searches for the latest software version. System updates frequently include bug fixes and performance improvements that affect app stability. If apps are still not working properly, remove and reinstall the problem app. Highlight it, press the star button, and select Remove Channel. After removing it, restart your Roku device before reinstalling. Then go to the channel store and download the app again. Reinstalling clears corrupted app data and gives you a clean version. If you're having issues with screen mirroring or mobile apps connecting, go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, and select Control by Mobile Apps. Open network access and change it from limited to enabled. Allow permission when prompted. This setting can sometimes revert after updates and block connections. Finally, if nothing else works, a factory reset is your last option. Go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, and choose Factory Reset. Keep in mind this will remove all apps and personal settings, so only use it if all other steps fail. At this point, you've ruled out app glitches, network instability, outdated software, and corrupted data. In most cases, one of these fixes gets your apps running smoothly again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. And let me know in the comments which app was giving you trouble. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.